What if one decision from the Federal Reserve could change your mortgage payment, your savings account earnings, and even the stock market overnight? Well, that decision may be coming sooner than you think. The big question everyone is asking right now is, will the Fed cut interest rates again? And if they do, what happens to your money? Let's break it down. The Federal Reserve, often called the Fed, controls a key interest rate that influences borrowing costs across the entire U.S. economy. When the Fed lowers rates, borrowing money generally becomes cheaper, and that can affect everything from home loans to business investments. If you're thinking about buying a home, a rate cut could eventually help lower borrowing costs and improve affordability. While mortgage rates don't move exactly with the Fed, lower rates often create positive momentum for homebuyers. If you're carrying credit card debt, a Fed rate cut could be welcome news. Over time, some borrowing costs may decrease, potentially saving consumers money on interest payments. But where things get really interesting is the stock market. Historically, lower interest rates can be good for stocks because companies can borrow money more cheaply and investors often look for higher returns outside of cash savings. That's one reason Wall Street pays close attention to every Fed announcement. On the other hand, savers may face a different challenge. Many high-yield savings accounts offer attractive returns today because interest rates have been elevated. If rates begin falling, banks may gradually reduce those yields, meaning your savings could earn less over time. Here's the most important thing to remember. The biggest financial opportunities often happen before the headlines fully catch up. Whether you're investing, saving, paying off debt, or planning a major purchase, understanding how Fed decisions impact your finances can help you make smarter money moves. Nobody knows exactly what the Federal Reserve will do next, but one thing is certain. The next Fed decision could affect millions of Americans, and possibly your financial future too. So here's my question for you. Do you think the Fed will cut rates again this year, or keep rates higher for longer? Drop your prediction in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more investing, personal finance, and money news updates every week.